Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to online class from Anant International School. I am Yogish PM, mathematics teacher of Anand School. Today I am explaining 10th standard circle lesson, dear children. Dear children, 47 question in exercise A. Use the given figure to find the angle BAD. Angle BAD. This angle 1. This angle. And one more angle DQB, this angle. How to find these two angles, dear children? You are already thinking in a triangle ABQ. A angle also we don't know, B angle also we don't know, Q angle also we don't know. How can I find? By using the diagram, I am going to find these two angles. Very easy. Like this, easy problem will come. Okay, how to find? See, first this angle is possible to find by using the diagram. Triangle ADP. Observe carefully, dear children. Triangle ADP is a. In this triangle, two angles value you know the third angle easy to find. Sum of angles of property. Sum of angles of property. Using that property is possible to find out the angle. Shall I find? It's coming to the solution part, dear children. In the figure, triangle, in the triangle ADP, in the triangle ADP, see, sum of angles of property, sum of angles of triangle, property. Look here, angle, first angle A plus angle D. Don't write angle A, no confusion. Angle D, here two angles is there because you write by using ADP, angle ADP plus angle APD is equal to 180 degree, dear children. Shall I substitute the values? Angle A we don't know. See, angle A. Otherwise, no problem. DAB, otherwise BAD or BA, anything. Okay, no problem. Angle A I will write first. Plus this angle D, ADP. Angle ADP, 85 degree. Plus angle APD, 40 degree, is equal to 180 degree, dear children. What next step, dear children? See, angle A as it is equal to this two addition goes to right side. 180 minus 85 plus 40. 80 plus 40, 120. 120 plus 5, 125 degree is equal to, see, minus 125 it became this two addition plus 125. Plus 125 comes to right side, minus 125. That's all. Now difference how much, dear children? See, 180 minus 125, 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 2, 5 over 55 degree. Clear? Therefore, the angle A is nothing but the required BAD or R. Or R means angle A is R, angle BAD is equal to 55 degree, dear children. Got it? First angle over. Second angle DQB. This angle value want. How can I find it? This angle we already got it. How much that one? 55 degree. See, by using this triangle ADP triangle, I find out this angle. By using the triangle AQB, this angle we know that already. This angle I am finding now. This angle in a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, some pair of opposite angles are supplementary. Shall I take that one? Now, in the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, in the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, shall I write sum of angles? That one, the angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Reason? Tell me once. Everyone remember that the angles, pair of opposite angles are supplementary in a cyclic quadrilateral. Pair of opposite angles are supplementary in cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, now shall I substitute the values? Is it ADC, that is 85 degree, plus the angle ABC we don't know, is equal to 180 degree. Finally, therefore the angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 85 degree is equal to, very easy nature. Okay, so 180 minus 85, 180 is greater number, 85 is small number. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 8, not possible. 17 minus 8, 17 minus 8 means you will get 95 degree. Is it clear? See once again, 10 minus 5, 5. Then here 7 is it. 17 minus 8 means then 2 plus, then wrong is it. 1 not 1 minute. Don't take confusion dear children. I will neatly I will do. See this is 5 will come. This is 17. 17 minus 8 means 9 only. Correct is it. 95. No confusion. Okay. Clear? Got it? Correct is it. Sometimes correct answer will give confusion. Okay. Don't worry. See we got it. ABC angle 95 degree. This one we got it. I will write in blue marker. Why? Because which one I find out. This is 95 degree. Okay. Now in the triangle ABQ, sum of three angles are 180 degree. Sum of three angles in a triangle. Now dear children, now sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree by using this property in the triangle ABQ. In the triangle ABQ, shall I write the sum of angles? Look here, you know that dear children, the angle A plus angle B, don't write, ABQ plus angle Q directly. Why? Because no confusion, is equal to 180 degree. Shall I substitute the values dear children? Easily look here. See, angle A is 55 degree plus angle ABQ, this is 95 degree, plus angle Q we don't know. I am finding that one, is equal to 180 degree. Finally dear children, we got the answer. Look here, the angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two goes to right side. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 150 degree is equal to, how it became understanding? Angle Q is equal to 180 as it is. These two addition became 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 150 goes to right side, it becomes minus 150. 180 minus 150, we got 30 degree. How much DH done? This is 30 degree. Finally, therefore, or otherwise, angle Q is nothing but what you want? DQB. The angle DQB is equal to 30 degree DH. Clear? Easy is it? Understood? Step number 1. In a triangle ADP, sum of angles are 180 degree in a triangle. See, I find out this angle. Then, after find out this angle, then in a cyclic quadrilateral, pair of opposite angles are supplementary by using that property. I find out this angle. Then, now again, sum of angles of triangles is 180 degree. This sum of triangle 180 degree. Substitute the values. We got it this angle. Easy is that, children? Shall I continue one more problem? Yes. 50th question, dear children. I will read the question. In the given figure, PQ is the diameter of the circle whose center is O. Given angle ROS is 42 degree. Calculate RTS. Where is RTS, dear children? Here. here only, RPS, this angle. Only data here in this diagram, in a circle, POQ is a diameter of the circle with center O, then angle ROS is 42 degree. No other data. No one parallel here, nothing. How can I find this one? Don't take sum of opposite angles supplementary, that is wrong. Here will not come. What can I do, dear children? Don't join RS. If I join, we will get a PRSQ only cyclic quadrilateral. How will you find this angle? Very difficult, not possible. No, not possible. Shall I give the hint? Dear children, look here. I will join RS. I will join RS, dear children. After join RS, the RSQ became 90 degree. Angle R, look here. PQ is the diameter. Diameter subtend angle at the circumference. That angle is 90 degree. PSQ 90 degree came means PST also 90 degree will come. PSD also 90. This PSD. I will show, look here. I will join that one. Observe carefully, dear children. PS, I am joining PS. Look here. I join PS. Here, I got it here. This is 90 degree. PSQ. Angle PSQ is equal to 90 degree. And then PST also 90 degree. Why? Because QT is a straight line. These two become linear pair angle. This is 90 degrees and that is also 90 degree will come. Is it clear? Now, what next step, dear children? Look here. See this angle 42 degree formed by the points R and S. The ROS angle, this angle, RPS, these two angles are equal. Understood? ROS, this angle at the center. Otherwise, yes, correct is it? ROS angle at the center is twice angle at the remaining circumference, not equal. Angle at the center. This is the arc. RS is the arc. You know that basic point. The arc RS subtend angle at the center is, this angle is twice the angle at the remaining circumference. This arc only subtend angle at the remaining circumference. Clear? This how much will come? 21 degree. This is 40 degrees, that means half means 21 degree. 21 degree plus this is 90. 90 plus 21, you got it, that two. Next 180 minus that two sum, we will get this angle. In a triangle PST, this angle will come. Understood? First, coming to the solution part, solution. Okay. Join. Join PS. Join PS. Then after, what happened? Look here. After join PS, I will write the children. What is the point? Angle ROS is twice the angle RPS. Reason, you already know that. I will write the reason. Angle at the center is twice the angle at remaining circumference of a circle. Okay. Angle at the center ROS is twice the angle at the remaining circumference RPS. That is not PPS, RPS. RPS. Angle at the center ROS is twice the angle at the remaining circumference RPS. Now, shall I substitute the values? ROS is 42 degree is equal to twice the angle RPS. Finally, the angle RPS is equal to 21 degree. How it came, you already understand. 42 divided by 2 means 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. 21 degree got it. Clear? Now, RPS I find out. The angle is degree. Okay? This angle we find out 21 degree. Now, I will write this angle. Now, dear children, look here. Now, the angle PSQ is equal to 90 degree. PSQ, the diameter PQ is the diameter forms angle, certain angle at the circumference, that angles are 90 degree. Okay, look here, I will show once again. PSQ, the angle formed here, this is 90 degree in the circumference. The diameter forms the angle on the circumference, that is always 90 degree. Look here, reason I will write angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle is 90, right angle. Angle in semicircle is right angle. Is it clear? Now dear children, look here. One more point is that I want this angle with the help of this angle. These two linear pair angles. Look here. The angle PSQ plus angle PSQ, angle PST is equal to 180 degree. Reason? Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles are 180 degree. Linear pair angles. Linear means straight line. Linear pair angles. On the straight line, pair angles are 180 degree. Shall I substitute the values? PSQ already find out, that is 90 degree plus PST is equal to 180 degree. Finally, the angle PST is equal to 90 degree. How means 90 goes to that side, 180 minus 90, PST. I will write neatly. Angle PST also, we got it 90 degree. Now dear children, this one rough work I did that time. Now dear children, now sum of angles of triangle. Sum of angles of triangle PST is 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle in a triangle PST is 180 degree. Which triangle also I would? Triangle PST. In a triangle, how many angles will come? 3 angles. Sum of angles of triangle PST is 180 degree. Shall I write that angles? The angle PST plus angle PTS plus angle SPT. Angle SPT is equal to 180 degree. Shall I substitute the values, dear children? Now PST, angle PST 90 degree, find out. I substitute here 90 degree plus PTS we are finding the angle PTS as it is plus SPT we already find out 21 degree. R is nothing but SPT 21 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now these two addition 90 plus 21 it became 111. Next step finally. Therefore the angle PTS, what is PTS? PTS nothing but RTS is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 21. 90 plus 21 111 is equal to, see, 180 minus 111, 10 minus 1 9, 7 minus 1 6, 69 only. 69 degree. Finally dear children, over R, why I am writing R, understanding? Over R, PTS is nothing but RTS. The angle RTS is equal to 69 degree, dear children. Is it clear? Now, see, first I joined RS, then after join here one angle form RPS, this angle on the circumference. Then same R and S certain angle, center is twice angle remains circumference. By using that point I find out RPS angle, this angle. Then I find out this angle with the help of semicircle 90 degree. These two are linear pair angles. I find out this angle. Finally, sum of angles of triangle PST, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. I substitute these two angles. Finally, I find out RTS angle. Clear? Easy is that, children? Like similar problem, we should practice. I will continue one more problem, dear children. 52nd question, dear children. AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. OD is parallel to BC and angle AOD is 60 degree. Calculate the numerical values of angle ABD. First one ABD, second one DBC this angle, and third one ADC. I want, if I join BD means first angle ABD angle will come DBC. If I join BD, DBC, this angle will come ADC, complete angle. See, here given data only OD is parallel to BC. If I join BD, I will get alternate angles. Okay, why? Because two lines are parallel is it, and angle AOD is 60 degrees. By using this data, I am going to finding the angles. Coming to the solution, before go to the solutions, I will join that line here, children. Look here, you know that which one? BD. I will join BD here, children, by using the ruler. Should use the pencil also. Okay, now look here. See, what is parallel to BC? Now I am going to finding the angles. Which one? ABD, children. ABD, this angle, and DBC also this angle, and this complete angle, children. Where I marked that red marker, that angles I am finding, children. Okay, how can I find? Any idea? See, given angle AOD, this 60 degree formed by the point A and D. The same A and D form one more angle ABD. Means this is angle at the center, this is angle at the circumference. This two relation is this two angle relation, angle AOD and angle ABD. Yes. What is the relation? You remember once? Angle at the center subtended by the arc AD is equal to twice angle at the remaining circumference here. Shall I write now? Coming to the solution, dear children. Solution. The angle, first join BD. We already did. Join BD over. Now, what is the step? The angle AOD is equal to twice the angle ABD. Reason, you know that, dear children. Shall I write the reason, that one? See, angle at the center is twice the angle at remaining circumference. Oh, is it right? Correct? Now I will substitute the values. Angle at the center means AOD. Angle at the center AOD is, this angle is twice the angle of the remaining circumference. This is arc. This one arc. A and D point divides two arc, two part of the arc. AD one arc, ABCD one arc. Understood? See, this arc means this arc in the arc AD chord is it. The chord subtend angle at the center is twice the angle at the remaining circumference. This one. Okay. See, AOD, how much is the angle AOD? 60 degree is equal to 20 into angle ABD, children. Finally, angle ABD how much? The angle ABD is equal to 60. So not 60 degree, 30 degree. Why means 60 divided by 2. This coefficient 2 comes to denominator. 60 by 2 means it became 30 degree. Got it? Which angle we got it? This one. This one how much? 30 degree. Now next. DBC. This angle value 1. How can I find it, children? Any idea? Dear children, look here. I will give one hint. See, I want third angle ADC. Here three angles are there. This 1, 2, 3. Three angles are there in ADC. This angle how much? First I will find out. Next I will find out this angle. Next I will find out this angle. Shall I show how can I find? First, ADO, how to find an angle? ADO how much will come? You already, some students are already guessed. ADO 60 degree. How? In a triangle AOD, AO and OD are the radius of the same circle. Their opposite angles are equal. See, already 180 minus 60, 120 is there. 120 divided by 2 means 60, 60 will come. This angle 60 will come. Okay, this angle 60 will come. In a circle, ADB is a angle in semicircle. ADB 90 degree. 90 minus 60, this is 30 degree will come. This is 30k means this is also 30. Alternate angles. This one 30k means 30 plus 30. 30 plus 30, how much? 60. Okay, no problem. This angle, how to find? Very easy. Look here. 30 plus 30, 60. This complete. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, pair of opposite angles are 180 degree. This is 60. This is 120 will come. Clear, dear children? First, what can I find? This angle want means this alternate angles value want. This angle value want. See, I want this angle value. I will find this angle with the help of 90 degree. 90 degree means not possible to find it directly. This angle value want ADO. First I will find out ADO. Coming here, dear children. In a triangle AOD. In a triangle AOD, OA is equal to OD. Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Therefore, angle OAD is equal to angle ODA. Is equal to how much will come? That is x degree. X degree. Otherwise, directly I will write 60 degree. How it will come? I will show. Look here. 60 degree. How means the angle AOD. Reason that one also. Angle AOD is equal to 60 degrees. Understood? In a triangle AOD, three angles. See, already one angle 60 degrees means remaining two angles equal is that this one also 60 will come, this one also 60 will come. Understood? This is not very important to write all the points. Just I want how much this angle. We find out this is 60 degree. Okay. Understood? In a triangle AOD, OA is equal to OD, radii of same circle, OA opposite angles. Reason you know that equal angles to angle opposite to equal size. Angle opposite to equal size. That reason will come here. I will write that one. Angles opposite to equal sides. Clear? These two angles equal means the two sides are equal in a triangle. Therefore, these two angles opposite to equal sides. Clear? Okay. Now dear children, now what next step? Is now one more point. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. ADB 90 degree. This angle I will show. Look here. ADB. How means? Angle in semicircle. That reason I will write it here. Angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle. Now dear children, I want angle ODB. ODB angle value means ADB minus ADO. Now I will continue there, dear children. See, I want the angle ODB angle value 1. ODB angle value 1 means ADB, the angle ADB minus ADO. ADO. Understood how I wrote? I want ODB. ODB angle value 1. This angle, sum of these two angle is 90. 90 is there. ADB 90 degrees there. 90 is there. Means this one we know that 60. This angle value, this angle is equal to 90 minus 60. You will get this one. Shall I substitute that value? Is equal to ADB, how much is it? ADB, we already find out 90 degree minus ADO, ADO 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. The angle ODB, this angle we find out 30 degree. Now what next step? Now dear children, ODB is equal to DBC is equal to 30 degree. ODB is equal to DBC. These two angles are alternate angles. Shall I write that reason? Look here. Alternate angles of OD is parallel to BC. Because of these two angles are become alternate angles. We already find out here ODB 30 degree. ODB angle is equal to DBC is equal to 30 degree. Clear? Now this complete angle, how much we got it? 60 degree. Don't want this one. Complete angle ADC will come. Now final step, ADC plus ABC is equal to 180 degree. How means ADC, ABC. Reason you already understand. Pair of opposite. This complete angles are the pair of opposite angles. Pair of opposite angles are supplementary. In a cyclic quadrilateral, ADCB is a quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. Pair of opposite angles are supplementary. I will substitute the values. See, look here, this complete angle ABC, how much is it? 30 plus 30, 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here that angle ADC, directly we got it. ADC, angle ADC. I will write neatly. ADC. Finally, therefore, the angle ADC is equal to 180 minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. I got it. This complete angle, how much? This is 120 degree. This one over. Clear? First, what I did? I joined BD line. After join the BD line, given data AOD angle at the center is twice angle at the remaining circumference. This angle, how much is there? Half of the angle will come this one. We find out 30 degree. Then after find out this one, see that for first angle I find out. Next, this one I find out. Why? Because I want this angle. This value 1 means this alternate angles. This angle value 1 means this angle value 1. Seeing a triangle AOD, this angle 60 degree. We know that these two opposite angles are equal. Equal means 60 plus 60 120. Because of this angle 60 degree we got it. Next, ADB is a 90 degree. 90 degree minus 60 we got it. This 30. 30 and this angle also 30. Alternate angles. Then after find out this 30 plus 30, 60 degree. Pair of this complete angle, pair of opposite angles are 180 degree. Pair of opposite angles are supplementary. Then with the help of this condition, we find out ADC angle 120 degree. Easy as a regional. Okay, similar problem you should practice. Then 51 problem, homework problem is there. Which when I am giving homework, you should practice neatly. This is the right time to practice, dear children. And one more important, every class I am telling, after watch the video, each problem, stop it and practice yourself. Cross check once again the video, your solution and video steps. Any mistake is it, correct yourself. Any doubt can send the text message. I will clarify your doubt, dear children. Okay. Otherwise, you mark that question. Mark it that question when school will be open. That time I will give revision that problems, doubt problems. Okay. Good luck, children.